Good morning, children. Shubh Prabhat. I am P.L. Misra. On behalf of Education for You, is going to discuss about complex interrogative in passive voice. Let's come here. First of all, I am going to pronounce it. You all attentively write all the given, all the pronounced sentence. Let's come. Active voice, who does not eat rice. Passive voice, by whom is rice not eaten. Inactive voice, who is doing that work. In passive voice, by whom is that work being done. Inactive voice, who killed Ravan. In passive voice, by whom was Ravan killed. Inactive voice, who has seen the window. In passive voice, by whom has the window been seen. Inactive voice, why did he not do it. In passive voice, why was not it done by him. Why was not it done by him. Let's come next one. Active voice, which song did he sing. In passive voice, which song was sung by him. In active voice, where shall I hide my face. In passive voice, where will my face be hidden. In active voice, how could he play the game. In passive voice, how could the game be played by him. In active voice, how can he do it. In passive voice, how can it be done by him. Come here, where did he find the tiger. In active voice. In passive voice, where was the tiger found by him. I hope you all have written my pronounced sentences has given you, presented before you. Let's come here. We have to understand how it is converting from active to passive. All these are complex interrogative. I have already taught you in previous chapter complex interrogative. Or recall of your mind once again. I want to recall you. Let's come here in affirmative sentence. If the sentence is like this type, he eats rice, he eats rice. In negative sentence, recall your mind previous chapter, he does not eat rice. But in case of simple interrogative, I have already told you the helping verb will be taken first. Here is helping verb does not eat rice. It is the simple interrogative. But it has in passive form, it has in active form. How it will be changed into passive form, I have told you yesterday. That means does not eat rice. Here does is here indefinite, present indefinite. Is your arm eaten. That's why he is being required here. He is not rice eaten. But in case of complementary, that means complex. No complex interrogative. I have told you in simple form. Here is he does not eat rice. In simple form, complex interrogative. That means we have to use who, what, when, where, how, where necessary. But here I use who. That means who does not eat rice. It is complex interrogative in active voice. But how it will, whenever it will be converted into passive, it will be by this way. where you found who instead of who, you use there by whom. Instead of who, I used here by whom. But this sentence is depend upon indefinite, present indefinite. That is why the formula will be is, are, am, eaten. Is has been taken here according to rice, because rice is here object. That's why is rice not eaten. I hope you all confirmed about my given formula. Let's come here to discuss bit by bit. Who does not eat rice here? In active voice, who does not eat rice? Who does not eat rice? In passive, who will be changed? That means instead of who, you have to use by whom in passive. Here is does not. That means it indicates indefinite, present indefinite. The present indefinite formula you recall is eaten, are eaten, am eaten. That's why is will be taken here. As to rice, rice needs is. That's why is being required here. Is rice not eaten? Once again, by whom is rice not eaten? Question is who does not eat rice? It is in complex interrogative form. It also be changed in complex interrogative in passive. That's why who instead of who I used here by whom. It is indefinite. That's why is eaten, are eaten, am eaten, and we have to see what the object wants. Object is here rice. Rice wants is. That's why is will be established here. Is rice not eaten? Who does not eat rice? By whom is rice not eaten? Let's come here. Active voice. That is in complex active voice. Who is doing that work? Who is doing this work? Who is doing that work? Who, I have told you, instead of who, you have to use by whom instead of who, by whom. And look at here, this sentence is imperfect, that is present imperfect. You recall your mind, is being eaten, is being, you are being eaten, am being eaten. That's why is, are, am, being will be used here. But we have to see what the object wants. Object is here, that work wants is. That's why by whom is, then you have to take the object. By whom is that object, that work will be taken here. By whom is that work being done. Let's come here. Who killed Ravan? Who, by instead of who, I have to use here by whom. Completed this one. Who, by whom. Let's come here. Killed Ravan. Killed, past indefinite. We have to recall formula. First indefinite was eaten, where eaten. That's why we have to choose one of them, whether was will be appropriated here or where will be appropriated here. That's why we have to see, we have to notice what the object wants. Object here Ravan. That's why Ravan wants was, but not where. Was will be put here. By whom was, then here is Ravan is object. Object has been taken here. By whom was Ravan killed? Let's come here. Who has seen the wind? Who has seen the wind? Complex interrogative. It will be converted into passive. Passive. That means who is here instead of who. By whom is used here. Let's come here. What sentence is this one? Active voice is completely imperfect. Present perfect. We have to recall the formula. What the present perfect wants. For present perfect, that means I have eaten rice. Rice has been eaten. Has been eaten. The perfect formula, present perfect formula, that is has been eaten, has been written. all these. That's why has and have, one of them will be taken here. But we have to see what the object wants. Here is object, the wind. That's why wind wants has here. That means I have to write here by whom, then has, then we have to take the object. Object is here the wind being seen. That means by whom has the wind been seen. Let's come here. Next one is that is active voice. Why did he not do it? Why did he not do it? We have to see why no change, but only you have to change where. In case of only who in case of who, or instead of who, we have to use by whom in whenever we are going to change into passive. But in case of where, why, which, when, how, no need to change like this way, but it will remain same they are. Look at here. Why did he not do it? Why no change? Why will be here? Look at here. Did he not do it? This sentence is indefinite, past indefinite formula. Was eaten, was done. That's why was and where will be considered. Which one that the object want. But here is object it wants was. That's why was not, then object it done by him. Let's come here. That one is active voice, complex interrogative sentence. Here, this one is which song did he sing? Which, no change. I have told you which will be taken here. Then after we have to see what the sentence wants or in which form it has based. So that means song did is here. It is past indefinite. Past indefinite, was eaten, where eaten. That's why was will be taken. Which song is here. Object, which song was. Then verb is sing, song, past participle, which song was sung by him. Let's come here. Where shall I hide my face? Here is same thing, no change. Where, in case of changing into passive, where is here, where will remain, no change. But here we shall have to see what the sentence is. This sentence is future indefinite. In case of future indefinite, you recall your mind. I will eat rice. Rice will be eaten. Shall be done. All these are the formula. That's why we have to see. Shall I hide my face? Where shall I hide my face? That means here instead of shall will be here. Will be established here. Where will my face is here object. It will be taken here. Where will my face be hidden? Here hidden will be taken place. Next you come here. Let's come here. How could he play the game? I have told you no change. In case of how, only how will descended here. But you have to recall your previous chapter. In case of modal auxiliary verb, I have told you where you found any modal auxiliary verb, there only you have to use the be whenever you are going to convert it into passive. And in case of where you first have, in case of passive, there you have to use have been, has been. But here could is here. It is the simple way. That means how could we play the game? How will remain here? It will descended here. No change. Could. How could? Then we have to take the object, the game. How could the game then be in passive form? Could be, I have told you. How could the game be? For always past participle be played by him. That means how could he play the game? In passive, how could the game be played by him? Let us come here. How can he do it? How can he do it? Here, in case of passive, complex interrogative, no change. Here, how will descend itself without any reaction? How descended here, how in active, how in passive. But we have to see this sentence. What sentence is this one? This sentence is modal based on modal auxiliary verb. Can is there. In case of active, can. In case of passive, can be. In case of may, in case of passive, may be. In case of may have, in case of passive, may have been. In case of could have, in case of passive, could have been. By this way, how can he do it? How is here? Then here will be, in case of passive, can be, will be used. But we have to look for where is object. Object is it. That's why how can it be done by him? Let's come here. That is active. Where did he find the tiger? Where did he find the tiger? Then where will descended here? Will descend here. In case of passive, no change. But I have told you where you face who, there you have to, instead of who, you have to use by whom in case of passive. But here, where is here? No change. You descend where? Then after you have to see what the sentence is. This sentence is completely past indefinite. That's why I have to recall past indefinite formula. Was eaten, were eaten. That's why here will be was or where. According to tiger, what the tiger wants. Tiger here wants was. That's why instead of where, I have to use here was. Was, where was. Then object is here the tiger. The tiger will taken here. Where was the tiger? Find, found, found. Past participle verb. Where was the tiger found? No need to write there by him, or you may stop this sentence here. Where was the tiger found? This is all about my teaching. I hope it will or your better understanding, and at last I hope, it is my earnest hope from your side, if anyone likes my teaching, they do subscribe and share the teaching towards their kith and kin. Thank you.